I'll do it later. Paste it.
Where's her leash?
She didn't bring all the stuff yet.
I ain't bringing all that stuff.
That's
I
after.
just brought it so y'all can see it.
I didn't even know either. But as soon as I heard these, I was like, there go Casey. Because I be playing this Goosebumps game, and guess what? Fifi's in there now. The dog that came to that door and it just came up. The Fifi's in there, and I just hear her nails. It scares me so bad. Make sure to download Goosebumps game. It's a scary game. Just search up scary games, and then you'll see Goosebumps. It's gonna say Goosebumps at the bottom, but it's gonna show a picture of the living dummy and stuff. So it will show that. Download it. It's free. It's a good game, but it's really hard. But I'm gonna tell you what you have to do. So in all the things, you think that you caught the living dummy, but you really didn't. In each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to catch the living dummy again and again until the game is over. Now, if you die, you can watch a video and then you can stay in that spot and got all your still pages. But in the Goosebumps thing, you have to find all the pages. So if it tells you 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, or 9, or whatever, you gotta find it. Now, they will show these little blue people things where you can hide. So you gotta hold it and you gotta hide there. It will be hard. But if you want to learn more what to do, then watch the Purgil thing. But if it doesn't work, then just go to 1 and I'll finish telling you. And I'll put it in the description. So, paste it.
Last time I recorded her, she came